Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host here today. Imagine embarking on a 2,500-kilometer road trip from Berlin to Madrid in an electric vehicle. That's right. Two Tesla models taking on the challenge of a long-distance journey, all powered by electricity. But what did they find out? Did their EVs come out on top, or was diesel still the more efficient choice for this epic adventure? Let's dive into our story and explore the results of this remarkable road trip. The team behind it used Tesla's supercharger network for most of the journey, but also utilized charging stations from other providers to see how they stack up against a traditional gas-powered vehicle. When it came to calculating costs, official EU data showed that by the end of their 2,500-kilometer journey, the difference between charging a Tesla using Tesla's superchargers and filling up a diesel vehicle was a whopping €53.62, with the diesel option being cheaper. And if we compare it to a gasoline car, the gap grows even wider, with a staggering €136.61. Now, you might be wondering what the catch is here. After all, electric vehicles are touted as the future of transportation. But there's an important caveat. The team always used the fastest superchargers. If they had opted for slower charging stations overnight, the savings for the electric vehicle would have been significantly higher. And for longer trips, mixing different types of charging stations could also help strike a balance between cost and convenience. However, while electric vehicles may not be the cheapest option up front, there's another crucial factor to consider: maintenance costs. Diesel cars are generally much more expensive to maintain than their EV counterparts. Over the long term, these expenses could potentially even out the playing field, making electric vehicles more economical as time goes on. But let's not forget about the environmental impact of diesel vehicles. Despite their efficiency, they still emit significant amounts of pollutants and greenhouse gases into our atmosphere. Electric vehicles, while not perfect themselves, represent a cleaner future in terms of emissions, especially for urban areas where air quality is a growing concern. So what does this mean for car enthusiasts who frequently drive long distances? For those regions with sparse networks of fast charging stations, a diesel vehicle may still be the most sensible choice. But for city driving and environmentally conscious consumers, electric vehicles are undoubtedly the way forward. And as more charging infrastructure develops and battery technology improves, the gap between these two options is only going to shrink. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Electro Drive News. If you want to stay up to date with the latest news from the world of electric vehicles, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.